Yo, shake my hand, shake my hand. Welcome to another very short video. I'm calling these videos ESCOM. So if you guys don't know, I'm in South Africa. ESCOM is the national body for electricity, and there's currently load shedding across the country, which means there is no power. So whenever I get interrupted when I'm working there, I'm going to be making these short videos for you. So please look out for them. I've done 3 videos on Bitcoin. I'm going to cover as many cryptocurrency coins as possible. Why? I want to prove to you something. Are these viable investments? Are the rumors true? Is crypto a scam? Will you lose all your money? Blah, blah, blah. All that kind of stuff. Now, I'm going to talk to you guys about Binance today. Now, I don't know if you know this, but Binance is the biggest crypto trading platform in the world. The biggest. There's Binance US, there's Binance America, there's Binance South Africa. They've just got different brands across countries, but Binance is the biggest. There's going to be another video I'm going to do on our YouTube channel. Please look out for that. I'm going to be talking to you specifically about Binance US and what happened a few days ago when there was a flash crash on Bitcoin on their platform, and how Bitcoin dropped from 60,000 all the way to 8,000. And what do you do in such scenarios? Is it a real crash? What does it mean, right? It's quite interesting. But let's talk about Binance. And if you've been following me, I do something called Wealthy in 3 Years program, where I send you my financial notes. So it's on a month-to-month basis. I'll let you know what I'm investing in, what stocks, what tokens I'm doing, my strategies, how to dollar cost average. It's like quite a detailed financial note, and there'll be different type of webinars, from January next year. So you want to get in now and be part of the team. But Binance would have been easily one of my top picks to invest in about a year ago. I want to walk you through Binance's trajectory in the last 5 years, but I want to make it tangible. My program isn't for rich millionaires looking to invest more millions. My programs are for people like you who want to start investing some way, somehow, with something little. Let's use $100. If you put $100, just $100, if you're in South Africa, just to give you context, that's about 1,500 rands today. If you put $100 in Binance in 2017, you had $100. Now, listen to what I'm saying. I'm not talking about dollar cost averaging, which would mean you just kept adding money, kept adding investments. We can talk about that another time. I'm saying you put in $100 as capital seed and you bought Binance Coin, which was very cheap at that particular time. In 2018, your $100 would have been 8,410 US dollars. In 2019, the very following year, and just think about this. This is 365. We like to think in at least in a year span. You want to hold an investment for at least a minimum of a year, but 3 to 5 years is good. And by 2019, that $100 would have been 6,610. This is interesting because this is where people start to panic. People start to lose their minds because last year I had 8,400. This year I've got 6,000, and people forget that you only put in $100. So yes, the markets have reduced your investment by 2,000 US dollars, but this is what we call a market correction. Before you can get to the gold, allow price to go up and come down. It'll go up again, it'll come down. It'll go up, it'll come down. This moments here, we call these retracements. We want retracements. Retracements allow us to buy low again. You could have added another 100 US dollars again, another one here again. I won't do the maths because it will just complicate things, but I want you to know that this is normal. A lot of people run away when this happens. They forget that before they even at 8,000, they only at 100. So 6,610 is massive gains. A little patience in investing means in 2020, beginning of COVID, when all crypto assets exploded. Why? Because crypto is an inflation hedge. It's a good safe haven during a crisis. 2020 was the year of all crises, right? We had COVID, we had chaos, we had global shutdowns. Binance, the Binance Coin, right, in 2020 jumped from 6,610. This is still your 100 US dollar investment that you've been holding since 2017, jumped to 13,730 US dollars. In 2021, we are in the year 2021 as I make this video. Binance was about at an easygoing price of 37,910. This is your investment. This is what your investment would be worth. Your $100 would be worth there. The month of October hasn't come to an end. In fact, I'm filming this today is about the 28th of October. So I will come back and update you of how much your investment would have been at the end of October. But at the end of September, $100 at the end of September this year is sitting at 404,750 US dollars. 365. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, if you really want to learn, if you don't know how to invest, but you want to get started, you don't know who to trust, check out the link down below, right? Just click on my Wealthy in 3 Years program. This is how it works. You don't send me your money. You don't send anyone in 365 your money. You are going to invest yourself. I am simply going to send you well-detailed notes of when to buy, how to buy, and who to buy with. And by who, I'm talking about legit legal brokers. There's no intermediary person. There isn't a middleman. It's just simply you and your broker and your account. You create the account for yourself, and all you have to do, this is the secret part about investing. The secret part about investing is simple. Hold. Never close. Hold your investments. Give yourself a target. I dare you to do this for 3 years. And come back to me if your life doesn't change. Shake my hand, guys. I appreciate you keeping these videos short. Thank you, Escom 365.